Another day, another vlog! Guys, I am here today to share with you what happened to us on the third day that we were in Malaga. There's nothing so serious. It's just that, the rain was so strong and we were thinking of what are we going to do since we are on holiday and, it's so wet outside. I always have a good idea since shopping is always one of my agenda when I go holiday. So I told my husband and my daughter that, well, we can stay indoors. There you are, guys. So we decided, or I actually suggested, that we're going to stay indoors, not inside the house, but yes, outside, going to the shopping center and do some shopping since actually it's raining in outside. We cannot walk around and explore the area. So then we can go and do our shopping. So guys, for this video, I'm going to show you 3 places where we went on that day. First, we went to El Corte Inglés outlet, which is just around our area, about 5 minutes away from the resort. And then the second one is actually, it's an MacArthur Glen outlet. Yes, there is one in Malaga. Since we still have enough time during that day to explore more, we decided to drive going to Puerto Banús. Yes, Puerto Banús is another place in Marbella which is so pretty. It's much more better when it's summer because you can see all those beautiful yachts there, and there's loads of high-end cars who will be driving around, and it's just very nice place to go to. And guys, you can find a lot of beautiful high-end brands in Puerto Banús. You don't need to buy. It's just that I just like to look around and see what can they offer and what do they have, and if there's anything that I like, then yes, perhaps I will buy, but I don't always buy because it's so costly. But never mind, it makes me happy, it released all my stress, and it made my holiday complete, so why not? So guys, I hope you will enjoy watching, and I'll catch up with you later. Hi guys, we are actually at El Corte Inglés outlet. So we're just here is because it's raining outside, so we decided to come here and just have a look around. actually at the what's this, MacArthur Glen outlet in Malaga, Spain. So guys, I cannot complete my holiday without shopping. So let's go. Guys, we are now entering the main entrance of MacArthur Glen outlet. So, but this time it is in Malaga, Spain. Okay, go there, Daddy. Oh, of course, I need. Well, guys, Mr. Magitan is buying something, so I will just cross to another shop. Look at this. I love this one. Cute this one. Oh. See? I'll have a nice picture there in a minute. I'm just waiting for Sam to take me a picture. Guys, I've got a gentleman behind me who just bought a luggage bag. Look, where is he? There he is. He bought a luggage bag kasi hindi na magkasya ang kanyang mga pinamili sa kanyang bag, maleta na dala. So, the solution is to buy another bag. Yan lang ang buhay niya dito sa England. Ay, sorry po. Sa Spain pala kami. Wala pala kami sa England. Nakalimutan ko na sa Spain pala kami. Ay, buhay. Yan. Walang masyadong maraming ano dito. Shop na gusto ko. So, kakain na lang kami muna. Actually, mag-coffee lang tayo siguro. But we should not eat too much. We are eating too much. We or you? I am eating too much. Lumalapad na ang pisngi ko. See, it is sunny again. But then, may ambon. Umaambon. Pero wala kaming payong dahil ang mga payong ay nandoon. Wala kaming payong dahil ginamit nilang dekorasyon ang mga payong. Ay, nako, buhay. Guys, since it's too early, so we decided to go to Puerto Banús. Guys, I am now in Puerto Banús. Unfortunately, it is raining and it's not very sunny. So I cannot show you around very well, but I can just try. Whatever I can show you, I'm sure you will be happy. Magagandang shops pala, hindi yan siya doon sa ano. Hermes is here. Oh, ayan. Fendi, Versace, so, guys, yun ang video that I want to share with you. It's not much, but then at least that gives you a little bit of idea what are the shopping centers that you can go to when you are in Malaga. So actually, I just want to share with you that the MacArthur Glen outlet is actually just next to the Malaga airport. So, unless otherwise na gusto nyo maiwan din kayo ng eroplano, then you can drop by the outlet before you go to the airport. But I'm sure that's not one thing that you want to happen to you. It was not a good experience at all. So, but yes, just for you to be aware of that the MacArthur Glen outlet is just next to the Malaga airport. And same as Puerto Banús, I will highly recommend you have to go to Puerto Banús when you are actually in Malaga area. It's because that, you know, it's a very pretty place to go to. Unfortunately, this time maulan lang po. It was raining, so I was not able to show you around as much as I could. But yes, if you are into shopping, they've got a very pretty El Corte Inglés mall there, which is actually you can find a lot of different brands, which I'm sure you will love. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, you know, I've been to that place several times. Maybe I can help you, or maybe I can give you some ideas. Comment below, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Bibi Carms. Thank you, guys.